So it means what? It means the previous octet will be incremented by 1.
Yes, sir.
Because the octet value has reached its maximum. So always the previous octet will be what? Incremented by 1.
Got it.
So
Yes.
this is your next network address now. So on this network address, we are going for what? Sales department, right?
Right.
Okay. So what exactly will be there? Will be the slash value for sales
13.
slash
13.
13
slash 13
19.
slash 19.
slash
19.
19 or slash 13. First of all, tell me which
Slash
power you are
13.
taking.
30.
2 is to
30.
13. 2 is to 13 is how much?
8192.
Minus 2 is how much?
8190.
8190.
8190. Okay. So for 8190, we have this many number of systems which is coming. So we need 13 host bits. So 13 is basically coming over here as host bits, right? 8 bits. So total we have 16 host bits minus 3, 13. That is 3 bits are going to the network, right?
Yes, sir.
So already we have 16 network bits plus 3. So total becomes what? 19. Correct? 19 network bits. So for this requirement, we are having slash 19. Tell me the first valid host address. The first valid host address will be what?
0.11.0.119.
Okay, the block size.
Block size is 256 minus 224 is
32.
163.11.0.1/19. That is your first valid host. Okay. Then your last valid host and broadcast.
160.11.33.019.
What exactly is the block size you have got?
32.
32, right? That is 256 minus 224. Correct?
224.
Yes, sir.
That is your 32. And this 32, you are adding it with what?
Third
Octet, right? So your next subnet will become 160.11.32.0. Dot 0, right?
slash 90.
So it becomes what? Broadcast address will be
160.11.32.255/90.
Broadcast address will be
Slash 90.
31.255 now.
Yes, sir.
And your last valid host will be
160 plus dot 11 dot 32
not
dot
32,
254.
31.
Okay,
Dot
254.
254, no? Okay. So this is your next subnet address. So which one you are doing next? Finance department, right?
Yes, sir.
So for finance department, what is the value you are taking?
2 raised to the 10.
2 raised to 10.
About 10.
If 2 raised to 10 means
1022.
we are taking slash 22, I guess. Right?
Yes, sir.
Slash 22. So slash 22 means the network address will be 160.11.32.0/22, right? Yes or no? This is our network address. Our first valid host address will be 32.1.
1 dash 22.
That's 22. What will be the block size?
256 minus 252 equals to 4.
4.
4.
252, that is equal to 4. And this 4 we have to add it with
With
32.
the 32.
So our
With
next subnet will be
next subnet address will be
36.
30.11.
34.0, right? Yes or no? 34.
Yes.
32 plus 1 minute.
36.
256 minus 2, right?
36.
It's 36.
It is 36. It is 36.
36. Yes, sir.
So 36 means our broadcast address will be 35.255.
5.255. Last will be 160.11.35.254.
That is correct. 35.254 slash 22. So our next network address is 36.0. So in this we are doing requirement for which one?
Tech
Technical
department.
department. So technical department network address will be
160.11.36.0.
160.11.36.0 slash
26. 26.
26, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 2 is to 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 is to 6 you are taking. So we are right now going for class 3, right? So about first one, post address will be
160.11.36.1.
36.1 slash 26. Our block size will be
64, sir.
256 minus
Minus
192.
192.
190, but
64.
here 64.
64.
And this 64, we have to add it into 4th octet, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it's class C. So into the 4th octet, if you are adding, then your next subnet address comes in as what?
160.11.36.65.
No,
64.
11.36.64, right?
Yes, sir. 64.
Then your broadcast address will become 160.
160.11.36.63.
36.63 slash 26. And your last will host address will be
160.11.36.62.
62.
or 11.36.62 slash 26.
Slash 26.
So our next network address is 36.64, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we are doing the requirement for
Other.
Third department.
10. So this is one we are taking network address 160.11.36.64
64.
slash
20.
20
Other.
slash
28.
20.
So our first valid host will be
Dot 36.
36.65.
65. Slash 28.
Our block size will be
256 minus 240 equals 16.
so 256 minus 240. It is equal to 16, and 16 we're adding up with 64.
64.
It becomes
80.
80, right?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 36.80 slash 28. So our broadcast address will be
160.10.36.79
36.79
slash 28.
28, and our last village host will be
78.
36.78.
Just 20.
Plus 20. Okay. This is what you are having. Okay. This is your
Sir,
requirement. Yes.
can you explain the marketing department, sir? I didn't get it, sir.
Marketing department, you are having 60,000, right? So 2 raised to
Yes.
16. You are taking all the 16 host bits you need.
Yes, sir.
Because we cannot take 2 raised to 15, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we are taking all these bits, this is when we don't have any bit left, right?
Yes, sir.
We're taking all the 8 bits,
Yes, sir.
correct? So from class A, if you are counting 8 plus 8, you are taking, right? All the 8 host bits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the whole like what 8 bits you are taking. So 8 bits basically gives you what? 255, right?
Yes, sir.
If you count it, all these 8 bits, you are getting 255, and 255, if we subtract from 56, we are getting what? 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this one we have to add into the second object. This object. So 10 plus 1 is what? 11, right? This second object. Over here. The block size will be 1.
Yes, sir. Block size.
Because all the 8 bits, right? You are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are first
Yes,
octet,
sir.
right? First octet. Then from here, you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these 8 host bits, like what bits we are basically using it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this 8 bits value is what? 255.
55. Right.
And if you subtract it from 256, then you are getting what? 1. And this one we need to add it into the which octet?
10 bits. 10 plus
Octet. And that is how it becomes 11, right?
11. Yes, sir.
That is it.
Okay.
Okay, anyways, in the next session, we'll be discussing about dynamic routing, everyone. Dynamic route. Today, you have basically got to know about static routing. Okay. In the next session, we'll be discussing about dynamic routing. Specifically, we'll discuss about RIP protocol. Okay, routing information protocol. This is coming next. Okay,
Sir, excuse me.
tell me.
Yes, sir, yesterday sessions all screenshot.
Yesterday's session screenshots. This is what we have covered. Take the screenshot.
Okay.
Taken.
Yes, sir, taken.
Take this.
Thanks, sir.
Taken.
Yes, sir.
Finished.
Yes, sir, taken, sir.
And this is the last section.
Okay, thank you.
And similarly, we discussed about iOS. This part, take it.
Taken, sir.
This part.
Taken, sir.
And lastly, this one. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done. Thank you,
So,
sir.
everyone, all of you comfortable with the static routing, right? Understood
Yes, sir.
correctly? Okay.
So,
Very good.
can we take this screenshot,
Which one?
this routing?
This routing means what? The configuration.
Yeah, the configuration.
I have already given you the configuration, right? In the notepad.
Might be I missed it.
You missed it. Just hold on. I will give you the screenshot again. Okay, so who has missed the configuration? Who has missed the configuration? Yes, who was asking for the screenshot?
To me.
Maybe.
Yeah.
This is the configuration. Take it. Taken?
Yeah.
Okay. Do all the configurations properly. Okay. And I will see you guys in the next session. Okay. Bye and take care, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
And tomorrow log in with your system. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay.